Bonita here from Bonita's Kitchen. I want to share with you a few behind the scenes that we've been taping air this week with Chelsea and the team of EastLink Community TV. So sit back, make yourself a cup of tea, and I hope you enjoy. EastLink Community TV. Take two. Welcome back to another episode of Bonita's Kitchen on EastLink Community TV. Today I'll be making pickled eggs and pickled wieners. This is a recipe that I remembered as a child. My dad used to make it while we were getting ready for Christmas and company. Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen here on EastLink Community TV. What I'm going to be making today is a delicious
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary. Join us by the sea, that's where Bonita will be. We've got Telton's, Bankers, Frozies too, soups and stews to name a few. Moose, beef, Irish pea, that's odd. Beer better cod, feta chicks, breads homemade, blueberry duff and apple bake. Are you ready for this jelly? Don't forget pork bang belly. Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours, Bonita's Kitchen to yours, Bonita's Kitchen, Bonita's Kitchen to yours.